Passenger cars. By car we are referring to passenger cars, which are defined as motor vehicles with at least 4 wheels, used for the transport of passengers, and comprising no more than 8 seats in addition to the driver's seat. Cars, or automobiles, make up approximately 74% of the total motor vehicle annual production in the world. The remaining 26%, not included in the statistics, is made up of light commercial vehicles and heavy trucks, motor vehicles with at least 4 wheels, used for the carriage of goods, buses, coaches, and minibuses, comprising more than 8 seats in addition to the driver's seat. By production we are following the convention used by national trade organizations and referring to completely built vehicles, CBU, as opposed to the assembly of completely knocked down, CKD, or semi-knocked down, SKD, sets when vehicle parts originate in another country. In 2016, for the first time in history, over 70 million passenger cars were produced in a single year.